Linking your bank to JFrog Artifactory can streamline your financial transactions related to software development. Follow these steps to establish the connection. Step 1. Create a JFrog account. Visit the JFrog website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Ensure you provide accurate information to facilitate the linking process. Step 2. Access the Artifactory dashboard. Log into your JFrog account and navigate to the Artifactory dashboard. This is where you will manage your repositories and settings. Step 3. Go to the payment settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use JFrog to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank information. Fill in the required fields with your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid any issues with transactions. Step 5. Confirm and save. Review all entered information and confirm that it is correct. Save your changes to complete the linking process. You may receive a confirmation email once the bank account is successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to JFrog Artifactory, enabling efficient financial management for your projects.